Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nola Azura. In this opportunity, I will explain to you learning model in curriculum 2013 and Bloms taxonomy. So, without wasting the time, let's start. First, learning model in curriculum 2013. In the 2013 curriculum, there are three mainstay learning models that can support teaching and learning activities. Inisiatif Permendikbud nomor 103 of 2014, which has a vision so that students can develop and have a scientific character, curiosity, and social behavior. The three models that are the mainstay of the 2013 curriculum K13 are the project-based learning model, the problem-based learning model, and the discovery learning model. Next, problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a teaching method characterized by the existence of real problems as a context for students to learn critical thinking and problem-solving skills and gain knowledge. Next, the problem-based learning. The problem-based learning model in the 2000 curriculum has the following stages. First, student orientation toward problems. At this stage, the teacher must explain the learning objective and activities to be carried out so that the students know what the main objective of learning are, what problems will be discussed, how the teacher will develop the learning process. This is to provide basic concept to the student. Teachers must be able to motivate students to be actively involved in solving the chosen problems. Next, organizing students. At this stage, the teacher helps students define and organize learning tasks related to problems that have been oriented. For example, helping students form small groups, helping students read the problem found in the previous stage, and then trying to propose hypotheses on the problems. Next, guiding individual and group investigation. At this stage, the teacher encourages students to collect as much information as possible, conduct experiments, and create and share their own ideas to get explanation and problem solving. Next, present the work. At this stage, the teacher helps fellow students in analyze the data collected in the previous stage. According to the data with the formulated problem, then based on the category, students give argument against problem-solving answer, and then work can be made in the form of report, videos, or models. Last, analyze and solve the problem-solving process. At this stage, the teacher asks students to reconstruct the tasks and activities that have been carried out during the learning process. Teachers and students analyze and find problem-solving problems present by each group. After finishing learning, don't forget that the teacher provides reinforcement so that students have a unanimous concept of the basic competence being studied. Next, Bloms taxonomy. Bloms taxonomy refers to a taxonomy created for educational purpose. This taxonomy was first proposed by Benjamin S. Bloms in 1956. In this case, educational goals are divided into several domains, regions, and each of these domains is subdivided into more detailed definitions based on the hierarchy. Educational goals are divided into three domains, namely Cognitive domain. Cognitive domain, which contains intellectual aspects such as knowledge, understanding, and thinking skills. Next, the affective domain. The affective domain contains behaviors that include aspects of feelings and emotions such as interest, attitude, appreciation, and ways of adapting. Next, the psychomotor domain. The psychomotor domain contains behavior that include aspects of motor skills such as handwriting, typing, swimming, and operating machines. And then last, several other terms that also describe the same thing with the three domains include those by Ki Hajar Dewantoro, namely creativity, taste, and intention. In addition, the terms are also known reasoning, appreciation, and practice. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.